It's finally here. Today, we're thrilled to officially see the long-awaited 2025 Tesla Model 2. Recently, Elon confidently revealed that this is a completely new design focused on efficiency, affordability, and cutting-edge tech. If you ever dreamed of a car under $25,000 that delivers 300 miles of range and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 5 seconds, this is the vehicle you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. When you look at Model 2, you'll instantly recognize the unmistakable Tesla style. The high bonnet line and low roof create a bold, sleek silhouette that makes a statement. And those wheels pushed all the way to the corners, not just for looks, they maximize interior space. So despite its compact exterior, the cabin feels surprisingly roomy. Tesla knows that even city dwellers need a little room to stretch out. But let's not overlook the finer details. The front grille is closed off, just like the Model 3. Why? Well, that's a smart design choice to boost the car's aerodynamic efficiency. That sleek, slim LED lighting on both the headlights and taillights isn't just pretty, but it also helps the car glide smoothly through the air, reducing drag and improving range. And the low bonnet isn't just a visual touch, it plays a big role in making Model 2 as efficient as possible. Now, let's talk about the Model 2 driving experience. The base version will come with a single motor driving the front wheels, which makes it perfect for city driving. It's efficient, quick off the line, and ideal for your daily commute. But if you're the type who wants a bit more zip, or if you need the extra traction for those occasional trips out of town, there will be a dual motor all-wheel drive version too. This setup gives you better stability and grip on the road, whether you're tackling slippery winter streets or enjoying a weekend drive through the countryside. What about handling? Well, if you know Tesla, you know they don't skimp out on this. Thanks to the advanced electric drivetrain, you get instant torque and smooth acceleration from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Plus, the battery's placed low in the car, which lowers the center of gravity. Better handling, more stability, and a car that feels like it was built to hug the road. This is a complete departure from Tesla's latest improved structural battery pack or the modular designs used in previous models like the Model S and Model X. One of the best things about the Model 2, though, is the charging. Tesla has made it easier than ever. It's compatible with the supercharger network, which means you can quickly recharge within 15 minutes and get back on the road no matter where you are. You'll never have to worry about finding a charger station again because Tesla's network is vast, fast, and reliable. But here is where Model 2 really shines. With zero emissions and a focus on renewables throughout design and manufacturing, it leads Tesla's charge toward a zero-emissions future. By driving the Model 2, you're not just embracing cutting-edge tech, you're supporting Tesla's mission to accelerate global sustainability. How does this new manufacturing technology affect the production facility of Model 2 next year? Elon himself has also confirmed this high demand for the Model 2 and has said that Tesla is indeed working on a budget EV aimed at mass production.
We are working on a low-cost electric vehicle that will be made in very high volume. We're quite far advanced in that work.
In third quarter, Tesla reported a $20 billion in automotive revenue, and this was part of their total revenue of $25 billion for the quarter. So Model 2 isn't making Tesla turn its back on this segment. Instead, it's rediscovering how to design and build its products for them to be both affordable and attractive. It encompasses better battery technology, lower production costs, and fewer features to stay affordable. You may have heard some whispers that Model 2 has put on an affordable electric car built on a brand new platform. But hold up. Tesla's confirmed that they're pivoting to focus on robotaxi. This little shift has got us all speculating at what else Tesla might have up their sleeve. They plan to blend features from their next-gen platform with their current offerings. Think of them as the more budget-friendly siblings of the Model 3 and Model Y, minus some of the luxury frills, but with all the essential Tesla goodness. This clever strategy is all about making their vehicles accessible to more folks out there. Now, you might wonder why this matters. Well, Tesla's mission is all about speeding up our shift to sustainables, and right now, lots of people want to own a Tesla but think the price is just a bit too high. Models like the flashy Model S or Model X, not to mention the already more affordable Model 3, are a bit of a stretch for most budgets. By introducing these new cost-effective models, Tesla's making it possible for a bigger audience to get behind the wheel of an EV. And hey, the more EVs on the road, the better it is for the planet, right? It's all about cutting down those carbon emissions. Tesla's taken a hard look at every aspect of its design and manufacturing processes to trim costs while maintaining quality. They're working on exciting new innovations in battery technology, exploring more efficient production methods, and simplifying features in their budget-friendly models. Imagine cars that still pack a punch but come with fewer luxurious extras. Think standardized components that help keep prices down. But wait, there's more. Initially, the Cybercab, a futuristic autonomous vehicle, wasn't meant for individual buyers. But guess what? They've had a change of heart. This vehicle's set to ditch the steering wheel and pedals, instead relying on a central touchscreen for all your personal settings. It's all about the passenger experience rather than breaking speed records. Tesla thinks that cracking the code on autonomous driving will lead to significant economic benefits, which is why they're putting Cybercab at the forefront of production. Achieving levels 4 or 5 of autonomous driving, where a human isn't needed at all, is no small feat. Meanwhile, the development of Model 2 is chugging along nicely. Now, let's talk about price. Model 2 is expected to be priced at around 25 Gs before any government incentives, potentially bringing the cost down to 20K. That's right, folks. This little marvel is designed to be the affordable Tesla. Tesla's optimizing operational capabilities in Giga Berlin, which is crucial for large-scale production, so they ensure the production of Model 2 works effectively. It's also a prerequisite for Model 2 to be competitive in the hands of customers, benefiting from the cost-optimized, high-quality manufacturing processes. Naturally, Tesla's novel manufacturing philosophy will have a significant relationship when it comes to making Model 2 by next year. Tesla wants extremely high demand and an ever-growing addressable market, so it's streaming towards that by emphasizing affordability through never-before-used manufacturing techniques and the inclusion of AI. How will Tesla enhance the Model 2 driving experience? Tesla's ambitiously hoping to make and sell 5 million units of the car every year, outdoing even the Corolla and Volkswagen in the global sales charts. The concept is geared with cutting-edge tech and all-aligned attractive styling elements for buyers to relish in the US, Europe, and the Middle East. Tesla will allocate the hatchback to Europe and the smaller one to China, effectively tapping into the unique purchasing power and local demands of each market. Tesla's also just released an entertaining new advertisement to promote the ease of driving one of its premium electric vehicles through its ever-popular test drive program, especially as we look forward to the arrival of the all-new Model 2. That's the message with the video that promises to take Tesla for a spin is not just an easy way to see the program, it's a fun opportunity for potential buyers to get behind the wheel of this automobile. As per usual with Tesla, the process for test driving is a little outside the mold. It says its unique self-serve test drive option lets prospective drivers take a new Tesla model for a test drive without ever having to interface directly with actual salespeople. It means that you'll be able to book your test drive and step into the car and experience with no pressure and enjoy driving the car on your own time. The launch of this new test drive program comes on the wheels of a recent Tesla upgrade, which upgrades the acclaimed Track Mode V3. The powertrain endurance is a new tool aimed at helping Teslas overcome the strain of side performance and allowing them to maintain peak performance for longer stretches. And that's all our content for today. As many of you know, our original channel, Tesla Car World, was temporarily paused for reasons we're still trying to figure out. But don't worry, we, the creators of the old Tesla Car World channel, are continuing our journey and bringing you fresh, exciting, and more in-depth content with the latest updates on hot tech topics right here on this new channel. We really hope you'll continue to follow and support us. Please like, subscribe, and join us to catch all of the exciting Tesla EV content coming your way. Thanks.